Meaning of displace.
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 Displace. The word displace means to move something or someone from its usual position, often forcibly or as a result of a change in circumstances. The result of displacement can be significant and varied, depending on the context. For example, displacement can lead to physical, emotional, or economic upheaval. Displacement can also lead to migration, relocation, or resettlement. On a more abstract level, displacement can refer to the substitution or replacement of one thing with another, such as ideas, beliefs, or values. Overall, displacement represents a significant shift or change in status quo.